Welcome to 311 Alexander Court, a stunning ranch-style home located in a serene cul-de-sac in Lawrence, South Carolina. This nearly new 4-bedroom, 2-bath residence offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Spanning approximately 1,900 square feet, this home features an inviting open floor plan that seamlessly connects the spacious living area to the modern kitchen. The kitchen is equipped with sleek black appliances, a smooth top range, a built-in microwave, and elegant soft-close cabinets, perfect for both cooking and entertaining. Retreat to the luxurious primary suite, which boasts a 4-foot shower, a relaxing garden tub, and stylish craftsman-style doors that enhance its contemporary appeal. Situated just minutes from the Wal-Mart distribution center and I-385, it provides an easy 40-minute commute to both Greenville and Spartanburg, making it an ideal location for commuters. This home is a remarkable opportunity for those seeking a blend of space, comfort, and easy access to local amenities. Don't miss your chance to make it yours. Call today for more information or to schedule a showing.